Hi, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I am going to do a review on a Luvme headband wig. Now, this is my first time purchasing a wig from Luvmehair ever. Can you believe that? And as you all know, and if you don't know, or if this is your first time coming to my channel, first of all, welcome. Second of all, I am doing a 90-day hair growth challenge. So I will be showing you different things on my journey of what I'm doing to maintain my hair while I'm doing this 90-day hair growth challenge, which means I got my hair curly in braids. They're looking a little raggedy right now, of course, a little fugly, okay? But if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, on my last two videos, go back and watch those two videos from when I started. The very first day I started to do the challenge. So of course, if you all know or don't know, it comes in a box that look like this. Luvmehair. I've heard great things about this company, and since this is my first time purchasing it with my own money, this is not a paid promotion. You all will get honest results from me. So in here, I have a wig. The packaging is really nice. So I do have a Luvme wig, and then I did purchase some headband wigs. So let's go over the headband wigs, the headbands, before. Well, I got a lot of them too, so it looks like they may have sent me double. I'm not sure if this was a I don't know. It looks like they may have sent me just double of whatever I had ordered, so that's weird. I gotta go back and check my invoice of what I actually ordered. But what I can say is I do have these. Let me pick this out before I show it here. I also got, I'm not sure what this is. I also got a, it's like a little kit. I got a wig cap, of course, the usual wig cap. But I really don't like to use these things on my hair because it dries your hair out. And oh, look like they sent me a little thing that says "Luvme," a little clip. Okay, they sent me a edge brush. This one's actually soft. This is really soft. I have one like this, but it's really hard. This one's actually soft. And then, of course, you got your little comb on the end. They even sent me some tweezers. And then this is Luvme. Okay, I can always use additional one of these. I also have some Luvme bobby pins, or hair pins. They did send a adjustable strap, I guess. So not adjustable strap, but it is a strap. So if I, with my wig, if I wanted to sew it on, I guess. Or maybe it's for, no, it ain't for that. When you trying to lay down, when you trying to melt your lace, it ain't for that, that's for sure. I guess it's an adjustable, it's a strap. Yeah, that's what it's for. And then they also sent me Luvme. Oh, okay. So when you are laying down your lace, ladies, and you're trying to melt that lace, they did send a Luvme. What do you want to call that, these little wraps that you put around your hair to lay those edges down when you're laying your wig down. So that's cool. I can definitely use that. I usually just technically use my regular scarf that I've been having for like years, that I've been wearing since I've had since what, high school? And that's a long time, believe me. So the things that you get in here, this is a really nice gesture. And I think that's cool because, you know, you can never have enough, especially bobby pins, you can never have enough of those. In case I lose one, I have an additional one of these. Of course, we can never have enough edge brushes. And the Luvme clip is a good touch. Looks like I have two of the same thing. Let me go ahead and just see what kind of headbands I have. I can always use these. And maybe I'll put this on with my headband. So that's one. Then I have another one. These are nice little spring headbands. You know, for the spring and summer. I'll definitely be wearing these headbands, especially when I go to the park. And these headbands do come in handy for those who wear crochet, hairstyles. Oh, and I got a product. I can't wait till I get done with this 90-day challenge because I'm ready to put some crochet hair in my hair because I have a product that I would like to review, and I can't do it yet because it's a 90-day challenge. I got this cheetah one, and then it looks like I have a paisley type of headband. So the only thing about these type of headbands is that the cross thing always gets out of place for some reason, and I hate that. I don't know why it does that. I can never get it back to where it needs to be, but this nice little paisley one, if you all see that. Okay. And then of course I got a army fatigue headband too. So cool. The wig that I purchased is supposed to be a short wig. Now of course it comes into one of these little sash, I guess you want to call it. And let me unravel this bad boy. I gotta get it unraveled first and get it out of the knot because I can't seem to. And I'm trying to make my video as quick as possible too. I don't want to linger this video. But the Luvme hair that I chose is a kind of like a kinky coily type of headband wig, and it's short. Now I have never worn a short headband wig. See how short that is? This is what it looked like. This is what it's looking like coming up out of the package. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to manipulate this. I wanted something to try something short, especially the summer's coming. And it's going to get hot, y'all. This is what the wig is currently looking like. Now I'm going to have to go and put my juices on it and manipulate this and put this on for you guys. But this is what it's looking like straight out the package. Now it ain't looking all that great out the package. But of course, with any headband wig, you got your band. Does come with your comb at the top. It has a comb at the top, comb on the side, comb down here at the bottom, if you can see that. And then it does have these straps. And I think these are a smaller strap from what a previous headband wig I had. But let me go ahead and work this. Look like I'm going to have to put some leave-in conditioner in it. Get it all juiced up for y'all, and then I will come right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. And so basically what I did was I took some of my favorite conditioner and some water, and I saturated it in this bottle. And I really want these curls to pop. So I'm just spraying. Hold on, let me do it this way. I'm just going to spray that on here and get it saturated. And then I'm going to take my little brush. This is like a detangling wet brush that you can get anywhere off of Amazon, Ulta, whatever. And I'm just going to comb that out. This is what's going to make the curls pop. Because y'all saw when it first came out of that package, it was looking a little raggedy. Okay? And as I'm combing these curls through, they're starting to actually look like curls now. It's not looking like no dry bush. Now, if you want to wear your hair like a dry bush, be my guest. But I don't. I want my stuff to look soft. Now, the conditioner I used in here, before somebody asks, I used the Tresemme Silky and Smooth conditioner. It's hard to find this conditioner. I didn't see it in Target, but I did find it at my Big Lots. So And I got a big bottle of it. So, and this is what the curls is looking like now. Before they look, let me get this in camera. This is what the curls looking like now. As y'all saw before, they were looking a little raggedy. But now they start, and I don't put nothing else on my hair. I ain't putting no mousse on my hair. I ain't putting no anything like that, because what I like about the conditioner and the water is that these curls will stay in here just like this without no extra product. So no type of mousse or anything like that. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Now what I need to do is get these skin edges together. So since they did send me my little edge brush, let me go on back to that. What did I do with it? Oh, here we go. Let me go on back to that and get my skin edges together for y'all. Okay. And today on my edges, I am going to use the Kaleidoscope Edge Control. I like this. And I'm going to put this on my hair. So I'm going to use my mirror and get my skin edges together. Because you cannot be wearing no headband wig with your edges looking like a little nappy, especially with that texture of hair. Now, you probably can get away with some nappy edges if you didn't put the shampoo and conditioner on there and you wore like a little bush. Because y'all saw how dry it was looking when I took it out the package. But, you know, it is what it do. You got to do what you got to do. Okay. And no, I ain't worried about putting edge control on my hair because I'm going to end up washing my hair anyway. And you saw my last video what I do to wash my hair. So, putting product on there ain't going to faze me none. So, let me go on head. Now, I don't have, where's that little, technically you will wear your, what do you want to call it, your little wig cap. But I don't like those wig caps because they dry your hair out. So I technically have like a little silk cap on my head, but we're gonna improvise today because I don't have it with me in here. I technically have like a silk cap on my head. And I'm gonna go ahead and let me tie my hair back. Go ahead and put that hair back. Get it out my way. For you all. Yeah. One thing I did notice, I just now noticing this wig do not have no adjustable straps in it at all. So all you have is these straps right here. Okay. And I wanted something short. And I need to get my headband. What I typically do is I will strap my hair up and then I will bring the combs. The wig has combs in the bottom of it, and I'll just bring that over the band itself. I don't like to put all these combs in my hair. So if you need to just use like some bobby pins, you can use that. I'm not a fan of combs because I don't want to take my hair out. But this is what it's looking like right now. It's kind of remind me of my hair when I wash it and condition it, and y'all see it out before I blow dry it. This is what's mimicking my hair right now. It actually is. And I like that. So let's see, what can I do? So this is really just meant to have a short hairstyle, not all on your neck, Like I said, it's something different. So we're going to use some of them headbands I got. Y'all see? This is what it's looking like a little short. And I probably need to style it, but I know I'm going to show you a clip of the picture. And like I said, okay, y'all, I am back. And this is a genuine get up, throw and go. Now, I need to correct something. I said it was a kinky curly, but I did go out to the website. It is a throw and go short JerryCurl headband wig, not kinky curly. And I got those free trendy headbands that came with it. Currently, it is only $98.90 on Luvme's website. Now, the only length they have in this wig is 18 inches. I'm not 18 inches, I'm sorry, 8 inches. So this is what I'm sporting. Right now is an 8-inch wig. And it's a genuine get up and go, okay? Really nothing but spray some water on it. And that's it. I really don't see any other styles that you can do with this. But to throw it on and go. So, yeah. But, I mean, for $98, I mean, you can't beat that. It's just something I want to throw in my arsenal. Have not had a curly 8-inch wig. And this would be like one of those nice wigs that you can wear. So you're having a family barbecue at the house. And at your house, and you want to be relaxed, throw and go. Get up and run to the store real quick. Of course, a throw and go. That's what I be using it for. Or I'm going to the grocery store, 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to get up and I'm going to throw and go my wig on. So I find that when I was playing with it, I find that this wig looks better when you have like a thicker headband on it and not the smaller headband. To me personally, I like the thicker headband. And this is just like one of those styles. And this is my hair in the front. So, if I just wanted this, wear like a little small bushy hairstyle, this is it. You know, so this is what it's looking like. Get some big earrings on. Yes. And a nice wig to wear to the park when it's super hot outside. Y'all know I like to work out, so when I'm out there and I'm walking and jogging and running, this will make a perfect wig to throw on my head and go. Not trying to look cute. I'm trying to get my workout on, and I know I'm sweating. So this would be a nice wig, throw and go. And that's it. So the hair is very light. It's very soft, too. That's the other thing I like about it. So, like I told you before, look a little dry. Come out of the package. If you want that dry looking look, then be my guest. But I don't like my hair to be looking dry. And that's it. Now, I'm not going to go through and put all the bands on and stuff like that. I'm just not going to do that. I'll show y'all what the bands look like. I am feeling this Paisley one, though. But that's it, y'all. You can't do too much with it, so gotta run to your doctor's appointment, throw and go. But other than that, rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave those below. And I will catch y'all in my next video. All right, deuces.